This is Evan from Decent Traders. I traded CGEM. I had a small loss. So here it was originally winning. My plan was very great, but this is a low float, and low floats aren't exactly the same. Mostly I see these low floats don't have a real trend, so they're more a fake trends. So here you see I caught this short over here. The reason I shorted here was because first of all I shorted half size. I saw this VWAP was very strong. Here you can see that this bar was previously a very bullish bar. Bunch of people are probably trying to buy over here, but in fact the VWAP just pushes it down and then it ends up turning to a bearish bar after a huge bullish bar. So here you can obviously tell the VWAP is really strong. So I knew that the VWAP would be really strong, so that's why I went in half size over here right under the VWAP, because the market makers know that people want to short the VWAP, so they purposely make them miss the opportunity. So either it doesn't hit the VWAP and goes down, or it goes slightly above the VWAP and then it goes down. So you can check out the PO both sides. So I went for the safer route. I didn't go all in over here. I went in half size, and if it would go up here, I would add. So, but in this case, it did not. It didn't go near the VWAP. It did go near the VWAP and then it goes down. And then once it goes down slightly, I don't care to partial because I have the mindset of not taking too many, and I want to stick to that mindset. But since it's a low float stock, like when you take a partial, you actually make like a lot of money. It's not like one of those more expensive ones, but I don't think I really realized that. But over here, I went in for another ad because here I already can see that this kind of reversaled over here near the VWAP. It just doesn't bounce up to it. So I kind of saw this reversal, but it was a very short one. It's more like a slight pullback instead of a reversal. But this was a decent ad here. I took a partial down here, mainly because like usually I like to just take a quick partial, not too much, because this trend hasn't even been established yet, so it's not 100% chance win rate. And then once this place just bounces up from where I partial, turns into a bullish bar, and now I'm thinking maybe it could test the VWAP again. So I take another partial right out here, right before it squeezes, and I had a stop loss of the new high over here, or maybe slightly above it in case it wanted to shake those people out and then bounce down, because here I still have the mindset of the VWAP is still very strong. So like I'm sticking with that mindset, but maybe I should have changed it because it does break the high and then I get stopped out over here. I didn't want to get out over here, but the gap just kind of messes me up. So this actually ended up turning into a loss, but I'm glad I stayed with my rules and I didn't really mess up and turn into the bigger one.